Hi, I'm Tim with vicrez.com. Today I'll be showing you how to properly prep our Vicrez polyurethane products before painting them. Prepping our products is actually quite simple. Keep in mind, if you try to paint our product before prepping it first, you'll run into many complications with the paint not sticking, cracking, and who knows what else. So you need to prep it first before painting it. The first thing you want to do is you want to clean your product on the complete surface with a cleaner called acetone. Acetone you can find at Home Depot, most of your local hardware stores, and a few other stores. What you're going to do is you're going to spray the complete surface of your product with acetone. And then you're going to wipe it down. Keep in mind that acetone is a very powerful cleaner, so you want to wipe it very gently, but complete. This is going to help to take off a lot of the contaminants, such as mold release and others. After you have completely wiped down your product with acetone, you're then going to want to take a scrub pad. I prefer the Scotch-Brite brand or something equal to it. And you're going to want to dunk it in water and use Ajax. And you're going to scrub the complete surface of your product again. What you're doing when you're scrubbing it like this is you're taking off more contaminants and you're trying to give it a dull texture. You want to get rid of that shininess. Make sure you get all the complete surface and all the hard to reach surface or areas as well. After you have completely scrubbed down your product, you're then going to want to rinse it off completely and wipe it down complete. You should then notice a very dull texture to your product. If you notice any shiny spots, you then want to complete the process again until the whole product is dull. Here's a comparison of the before and after. As you can see, the one on my left is before preparation and there's a very shiny texture to it. The one on my right is after preparation and there's a very dull texture to it. That's what you're looking for. After you have completed this process, you are then ready to paint and install your product.